Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing about four-stroke engine, that is petrol engine and diesel engine, how it works, how the combustion takes place, how the fuel enters inside the cylinder, and how it is burnt, how the power is taken out. So this is what we are going to see in this video. So the first one is four-stroke petrol engine. So four-stroke petrol engine, it works on it is based on the Otto cycle. Hence, it is also called as Otto cycle engine. The charge used in a four-stroke petrol engine, it's a mixture of air and fuel mixture. So here both air and fuel mixture, it's combined and it is sent inside the cylinder. Okay, and it is supplied to the carburetor in a suitable proportions. The charge is ignited by a spark generated by the spark plug, and for this reason petrol engines are also called as spark ignition engines. So in previously in the classification itself we saw spark ignition engines are nothing but the engines which are having the spark plug to ignite the air fuel mixture. So the spark plug is present only in the petrol engine. For diesel engine, it has a different system to burn the fuel. So now let us see how the four-stroke petrol engine works. So usually there are four strokes. One is if the four strokes are suction stroke, power stroke, suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. So here in this diagram you can see there are two valves. One is inlet valve and the other is outlet valve. So initially during this suction stroke, piston will be in the top dead center and the inlet valve will be open. So the exhaust valve will be closed in this position, and the piston is in top dead center. So during this time the air plus petrol mixture is sent through the inlet valve into the cylinder. Okay, so this is the suction stroke. Next comes the compression stroke, where during this movement, during the entry of this air fuel mixture, the piston from top dead center, it moves to the bottom dead center. Here you can see the arrow mark indication. So from top dead center the piston is moving to the bottom dead center, and the crankshaft also it makes a rotation. Next is compression stroke, where both the inlet valve and exhaust valve will be closed, and the starting position of the piston will be in the bottom dead center. So here it starts from bottom dead center and it moves towards the top dead center. While it is moving, it creates some compression in the mixture. And the next is the working stroke or a power stroke, where here we have, since it is a petrol engine, we have a spark plug. So the purpose of the spark plug, it produces some spark which ignites the air fuel mixture, because the petrol will not get ignited easily. So we need to give some spark so that the air fuel mixture gets ignited. So during this position, initially the piston will be in the top dead center and it starts moving towards the bottom dead center. Here also both the valves are closed. And the last one is exhaust stroke, where the piston starting point will be in the bottom dead center and it moves towards the top dead center. When it is moving towards the top dead center, the exhaust gas, the outlet valve is opened here, and the exhaust gases will be sent out through the outlet valve, and the piston, it reaches the top dead center. All the gases are sent out completely. So this is how a four-stroke petrol engine works. So there are four strokes. One is suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke or a working stroke, and exhaust stroke. Initially, inlet valve will be open, air fuel mixture is sent inside the cylinder, piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. And in the compression stroke, the piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. Both the valves are closed, and here the air fuel mixture is compressed. And in the third working stroke, both the valves are closed and the piston is in top dead center, the spark plug, it produces some spark to ignite the air fuel mixture. The piston from top dead center, it moves to the bottom dead center, and in the last exhaust stroke, the exhaust gases are sent out through the outlet valve, and the piston from bottom dead center, it moves to the top dead center. So this is the chart of pressure volume. So based on the PV chart only, the four stroke engine, the area is calculated, all these things are calculated. So here there is an inlet stroke from 0 to 1, you can see the intake stroke, and from 1 to 2 the compression, that is the adiabatic compression takes place, and 2 to 3 ignition, 3 to 4 power stroke, and 4 to 1 again the exhaust gases are out, and again it returns to its original position. So the working of the petrol engine is illustrated in the form of a diagram. So the next one is the four stroke diesel engine. So here in this the fuel used here is the diesel, and it works on the compression ignition method. It also uses the diesel engine cycle combustion for the combustion process, where pressure will be kept constant, volume will be keep on increasing. So here is the schematic representation of a four stroke diesel engine, where there are four strokes. One is suction, compression, power, and exhaust. In a petrol engine, air plus fuel mixture both are sent together in a single time during through the inlet valve. But in case of a diesel engine, only air is sent through the inlet valve, and there is a fuel injector. So fuel injector, instead of a spark plug, here we have a fuel injector through which the fuel is sent inside the cylinder. Only air it enters through the inlet valve, and fuel is given through the air fuel injector. So during the suction stroke, the piston, it moves from top dead center to bottom dead center, and the air through inlet valve enters, and fuel is given through the fuel injector. Here in the suction stroke, they get mixed up as a air fuel mixture. And the next one is compression stroke, where the piston will be moving from top dead center to bottom dead center. Here the air fuel mixture is compressed, and we know that the diesel, it gets ignited easily. You don't want any separate supplements to separate part device to ignite it. So during the power stroke, due to the compression, the air fuel mixture gets ignited. By the time the piston from top dead center, it moves to the bottom dead center, and at last the exhaust valve is open, and the exhaust gases moves out through the outlet valve. Here the piston, it will be moving from bottom dead center to top dead center, and the crankshaft also, it completes its second rotation. So this is the four stroke diesel engine. So there are four strokes like this. One is the intake stroke, the compression stroke, and power stroke, and the last one is exhaust stroke. So the main thing we need to remember here is the piston movement. Initially it starts from top dead center, and it moves to bottom dead center, and in the second stroke it moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. So the same repeats till it completes the four strokes. So this is about the four stroke petrol and diesel engine. So here is a small animation of how the combustion takes place. This is the multi-cylinder. So here you can see the petrol air fuel mixture is coming inside, and it moves the combustion. All these things are shown as an animation. So this is about the four stroke petrol engine and the diesel engine. Thank you.